Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11 and let me share with you how to check IMEI number of this device. So basically not really one IMEI number, but two of them, and I'd like to present two different ways to check them. The first one is much easier and much quicker, and the second one is by using the settings. So let's start with a secret code, because this is the first way of getting into proper information, and the code is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we're provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another way to check those numbers. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will simply forget about it. You can always enter proper information and enter proper section by using the settings. So let's enter them. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And right here, as you can see, we've got the IMEI number, so we do not have to enter another section. It is on the very first page. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.